Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal: disconnect the right speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right speaker to the top cover. Lift the right speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement: place the right speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right speaker to the top cover. Connect the right speaker cable into its connector on the system board.